We're going to divide these polynomials and we're going to use the long division method, that is just to write them as if they were numbers that we're going to divide. It's important that the polynomial, the one that we're going to divide, is complete. If it has missing terms, we can have problems when we do some intermediate steps. So the first thing is complete this polynomial, and then we start with the process. Well, if we had a number, we would choose 2 digits to start with, and with polynomials it's easier than that. You always choose the one with the higher degree, and here you choose the one with the higher degree. So we start to divide 3x squared divided by x, that is 3 times x. Here we have 2, and we multiply 26 and we subtract, we get 8. Here is exactly the same. When we divide, we get 3x, and now we multiply and we subtract. Multiplying, we get 9x positive and 3x squared. Here, the only difference is that when we subtract, we get 0, we get minus 5 times x, and we don't care about dropping new terms. You always drop every term that you had left. Here, you always take 1. Once again, we are going to do the same thing. Divide the highest degree term, minus 5x divided by x. This is the same as 5. Here would be 82 divided by 13 is like 6. And now we multiply and subtract. We multiply, we get 78, and we get 4. And here, it's important to use the sign, as if we don't take the sign, it would be like unconnected. So now we divide, we multiply, and we subtract. If we multiply, we get 15 positive and 5x, that is positive. Oh, sorry, here is minus 5. So minus 5, it's going to be minus 15 and minus 5x. I realize because the first term has to disappear always. So minus 5x minus minus is like plus 5x. Give us 0. And now 2 minus minus 15 is the same as 2 plus 15, so it's 17. And here that's the remain, because we cannot go on. Why can't we go on? Someone may say, now you divide 17 by x. But if you do that, you would get something like this, something with negative exponents. So this is not what we want to get. When we get a number, when we get negative exponents, the division is finished.